Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about the land degradation. Rendering the land unfit for cultivation is called degradation. So when the removal of top layer of the soil is found, it is called degradation. Land is rendered waste or unfit for cultivation due to many causes. There is no doubt that nature has also role in the degradation of the land, but mainly it is the man who by his lack of foresightness sometimes render the land unfit for cultivation. So what are the way how we can remove this land degradation? Firstly, by tree plantation. As much as tree plantation we are doing in our forest, in our environment, it helps to remove the land degradation. And there is no rain. When there is no rain, it is the necessary to stop the control the nature and have more protection of the trees. And when there is no rain, so it become automatically degraded. So we must believe on land upgradation. So afforestation is the way how we can do the land upgradation. Secondly, land degradation can be controlled by the contour ploughing. What is called contour ploughing? By this method, the field are cultivated, and like the tractor cow, they plough the land and harvested and sown the along with natural contour of the hill instead of up down the slopes. This prevents the rainwater from flowing down the hill, and it stands in the level furrows and soak into the ground. So the plant receives more water, and it is suitable for afforestation and grassland development work. So guys, please like, comment and share my video. Second one is the terrace cultivation or terracing. What is terrace cultivation? By this method, a series of wide stoves are made along with the slopes following the contours. This method is very common in Asian countries in region of rice cultivation. Street cropping. In this method, cover crops such as grasses and small grains are planted alternatively with cultivated crops. These cover crops absorb the moisture and hold the surface soil together. Guys, please like, comment and share my video. Then ploughing of gullies. What is ploughing of gullies? This is done by building dams of stones or fixing wire netting or planting trees across gullies. This measure check the flood water and so cause filling of seat in the gullies. Planting of shelter belts. Planting of shelter belts like this measure is adopted in the case of wind erosion. Wind erosion is heavy in nature. During the time of wind, when amount of blow is more, it is used for wind erosion, and it helps to remove the upper layer of the soil, and it became light in the nature. And so velocity of the wind and slope soil movement is helpful for land degradation measure. Then cover planting or cropping. In areas such as plantation, cover crops are planted between young trees. Trees like leguminous crops are often used because they add nitrogen to the soil and check soil erosion. One example is Japanese legume kuju. So this is the one of the solution for land degradation. other method which the farmer have been using for centuries are following crop rotation, then use of fertilizer, then water management. These are the way how we can farmer have been following using for centuries and conserve the land resources, that the crop rotation, then like rice cultivation, wheat cultivation, paddy cultivation, maize cultivation, then potatoes cultivation, then potash cultivation, potash. But wheat requirement nitrate, thus it is best to alternative crop in the field. Guys, please like, comment and share my video. Use of fertilizer. Use of fertilizer is another way of soil conservation. Farmers all over the world are now using chemical fertilizer along with organic manures. These fertilizers are easy to use and help enormously in growth of agriculture. Then water management. Water management is another way of soil conservation and water management. By regulating the amount of water in the soil, aeration can be improved and crop yield can be increased. So this is the way how the land degradation is improved and we can conserve our nature. So land degradation is a useful topic. Please guys like, comment and share my video. Namaskar.